Hi guys, I'm back to you with another video. So I'm going to show you how to use my beach waver. Take small sections like this. Beach waver I got from Sally's. I love this one. It's the ion one. And I'm going to do this part up. So I'm just going to place it right here for a couple of seconds and then go down. And then I'm going to kind of leave my ends out. And then when I get to the top, I'm going to incorporate my 1-inch curling iron to show you how you can use both of these to kind of mix up the textures in your hair. You are wanting to do something different or try out a new tool, because we have plenty of time right now, you can order this on sallys.com too. And I'm just gonna leave my ends out, like I said, like that much of my ends out. And look at how much texture it gives me. In these tutorials, let me know if you are. I did get ready today because I just felt like I needed to, just to stay sane, you know, just stay busy. I'm praying for all you guys and hope you guys are doing good. But yeah, don't forget to enter the giveaway. It ends tomorrow and I will be announcing the winner tomorrow, and the discount on products. I can ship them to you and take advantage if you need any to restock or anything like that. This is the time now, so let me know. And I'm just going in and leaving my ends out. I did put some oil in my hair, but that's about it as of products, and I'll show you what I use after I'm done. This might be my new go-to because honestly, if you do this, it should last you a couple of days. I know one of my clients, I did a video like this a while back and she bought one. She's like sending pictures. I'm like, oh my God, your hair looks so good. And she loves it. Obviously you don't want to put this on all the time because it is heat on your hair, and make sure you are using a heat protectant. I can't stress that enough. It has this thing where you can hold it and then just push down, hold it and push down. And then I'm just leaving my ends out. He went and got me Starbucks. I like the iced guava tea with no liquid king with 3 stevias. And I'm just gonna leave my ends out. Then I'm gonna go to the next section. I think I only have like one section left back here. There's just this tiny section, which is my top layers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this hair out because I wanna curl it with a curling iron. I'll do it like this, just so it's out of my face. And then I'm gonna grab this and do it again. Doesn't wanna work with me today. Okay, there we go. This thing is so fun. And this is the time to try out new things. In my last video, I talked about that. Try new products you've been wanting to try. Try new things to see if you like them or not. You don't know unless you try them. So this is the time now to do it. Do this. There you go. And I'm gonna come on this side and do the same thing. And then I'm gonna incorporate my curling iron as well next. So I'm just gonna do these pieces right here. And then I will move on to the next part, is adding the curling, my 1-inch. And I'm gonna go in with it and curl some of the pieces. And you guys saw my last video where I kind of showed you how I use this. So it's the same thing. Just because it makes it fun, it makes it something different and new, I feel like. So I'm just doing that. And I'm just leaving my ends out. See how I'm pulling down? Just like that. And it just adds something fun and different. There we go. It just gives it something fun to add. Always go back in and add more curls if you want. It's totally up to you, whatever you prefer. And just use a beach waver one day, and then the next morning curl some pieces, whatever you choose. That's what makes it fun. Put this on the side, and then I'm just gonna grab this big old piece, smooth it out, and curl. Okay, now I'm gonna grab these front pieces and I'm going to curl these ones. Smooth them out first as always. And what I'm gonna do is, see how I'm holding my curling iron like this, and you're just gonna want to go down because it kind of gives you like that bang look, kind of, where you looks like you have bangs but you don't. I love that right now. Okay, so now I'm smoothing that out. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm holding it this way and I'm just going down. It's going to see how it kind of gives you that little look right there. I love that. How fun is that? And then I'm just gonna kind of brush it out. But look at all those textures that are in there. It makes it fun and different. This in front are my, like, everything. I love texturizing spray, and I am using this one here, which I love. So I'm just lifting it up and just spraying. This is just gonna give you extra volume because we kind of want to look like a lioness. We like that look. We're going for that. A cute headband, if you like that, like I did the video and I showed you how to do that. Like, look at how cute that is. Like, I love that. Or, okay, what do you guys think of the braid? If you want me to do a look on this braid, I will. I just added it last minute and I feel like it looks so cute with this look. What do you guys think? Comment down below. I'm like loving this look. Sorry, I'm just trying to do a thumbnail. But yeah, I'm loving it. What do you guys think? Comment down below.